So I basically just came on here so you can see my new braids. That's it. Do you like it? New hair? New me?
Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys fun and creative ways you can style this Dolly braids. They remind me of that classic Marilyn Monroe vibe, and I love how feminine they make me feel. They're so easy to keep up with, especially for the winter. If you guys would like to know what hair I use for this hairstyle, I will be putting the link in the bio so you guys can go check it out. Let's get to it. This is my go-to style when I don't want to like do anything. It's just like very simple, very cute, very cutesy, very demure. But yeah, this is like, I would say, style number one. It's so easy to do. Just a regular half up, half down with the hair on the side. This pain right here, I think this one's kind of cute. Like, what do y'all think? I feel like it's a big circle in my head. I want to change it a little bit. Oh, better. I left one strand of hair over here, two strands of hair over there, and one on the front so I can like curl it up, as you can see. And this is how it came out. Wait, I actually like it, yo. Now I want to stop this video and just wear it for today. This one is very simple. Like, if you don't want your hair in your face, you can just put it back. Use L pins to keep them in place. Yes. You can put it down. And we can go for the classical bob. I call them bob, 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 bob. You go like this. You go like this. Actually, now that we're in this, we can do my next hairstyle. Go ahead, pins, pinks, black and white. Let's use the pink one. We're gonna use this pink one. This is really cute. What do y'all think? go with this. But I'm trying to do the Megan Thee Stallion look when she went to Korea. Because it's so cute on her. But this is what I come up with. Two little buns in the back and my hair on the side. Wait, this is so cutesy! Stop! I love this one. Oh my gosh. I got my elastic band in here. Stop, wait, this is actually cute. I love this one. It's given like if you're going to interview, you know what I mean? It's very cute, very simple. If you have come till the end of this video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I was able to give you guys some inspirations. If you ever get these braids on how to style them, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Bye!